This video will show you how to install Ring Video Doorbell 2 if you're not wiring it to an internal bell. If you are wiring to an internal bell, check out the written instructions before installing Ring Video Doorbell 2. We recommend fully charging the battery before installation. Plug the charging cable into the battery. While charging, both the red and green lights will light up. When only the green light is lit, it is completely charged. Slide the battery back into the compartment. There will be a slight click when the battery is secure. It will take about half a minute for Ring Doorbell to power on. Before installation, complete the in-app setup of your Ring Doorbell indoors near your Wi-Fi router. Use the Ring Doorbell to mark the install location. If you're installing Ring Doorbell on stucco, brick or concrete, then use the provided drill bit to drill holes into your wall and insert the included anchors into the holes. If you're installing on wood or siding, you don't need the anchors and can screw your Ring Doorbell directly into your wall. An optimal installation height for Ring Doorbell is 120 centimeters off the ground. We've included an optional corner and wedge mount with Ring Doorbell, so you can get a better view and improve motion detection. Next, secure your Ring Doorbell using the provided screws. Afterwards, install your faceplate by slotting it in at the top and clicking it into place. Finally, use the star-shaped end of the screwdriver to secure the faceplate with one of the provided security screws. Congratulations! Your Ring Video Doorbell is now ready to use.